Hello, dear students. I am Assistant Professor Rushali Ahir, and in the last session of fermentation technology, we have already started with the oral polio vaccine, in which we have already seen that it is a trivalent oral polio vaccine, which is also known as Sabin vaccine, and it is a form of live attenuated virus vaccine. And we have already started with the preparation of polio vaccine. So, this polio vaccine, as it is a trivalent polio vaccine, this trivalent polio vaccine is prepared with the three strains of polio virus. All these three strains of polio virus, they are inoculated in the monkey kidney cell, and after inoculation, different types of stabilizers like sucrose, trehalose, arginine hydrochloride are added in it, and they are allowed to grow for near about 48 hours. And during this growth period, the viruses loses its virulence power and antigenicity of these viruses is maintained. Up till now, we have already seen in the last session. Now we'll study further. Whenever we inoculate these viruses in the monkey kidney cell line, that time these viruses grow rapidly in the monkey kidney cell, but it loses its virulence power. After the proper growth, these viruses, they are harvested from the monkey kidney cell, and the process of centrifugation is carried out. During the process of centrifugation, the cell debris and the other cell components of the kidney cell are separated, and our viral strains are separated. Then the process of filtration is carried out, and our viruses or our desired strains are separated. After the separation of our strains, these strains are inactivated by adding formalin in the 0.025% concentration. एक बार हमने मंकी किडनी सेल लाइन से वायरस स्ट्रेन को निकालने के बाद उसे प्यूरिफाई करके दिस प्यूरिफाइड वायरल स्ट्रेन्स आर inactivated by the addition of 0.025% concentration of formalin. When we add formalin in the viral strain, it is incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for up 48 hours. 48 hours पर हम 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर फॉर्मेलिन ऐड करके वायरल स्ट्रेन को एज इट इज़ रखते हैं. लेटर ऑन, after 48 hours, the temperature is gradually decreased from 37 degrees Celsius to 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature range is then kept for at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for 12 days. During this 12 days of incubation, the viral strains get inactivated. While these 12 days, at the interval of 12 hours, the inactivation of virus is continuously checked by the presence of free formaldehyde. कितना फॉर्मेलिन यूज हुआ है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट concentration of formaldehyde or formalin, the inactivation of viruses is checked at the interval of 12 hours. After this inactivation, our vaccine, it is completely prepared. Then this vaccine, it is purified. Different types of stabilizers, preservatives are added in it, and then it is used as a immunizers. Now there are various advantages of oral polio vaccine. First advantage of oral polio vaccine is it is easy to administer. आपने बहुत सारे एड्स में भी देखा होगा, या फिर you have already taken this oral polio vaccine, so you know that only 2 drops of polio vaccine is given to the children's below 5 years, दो बूंद जिंदगी के. So it is very easy to administer this oral polio vaccine to the infants. So no highly trained persons are required for this, so the administration cost can be decreased, as well as for the production cost of inactivated polio virus is much more than oral polio vaccine. So it can be gained at low cost. Then next advantage is it induces both humoral and systemic immune response. जैसे कि हमने इनएक्टिवेटेड पोलियो वैक्सीन में देखा था, इट जनरेट्स ओनली इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स इन द इंटेस्टाइन, बट ओरल पोलियो वैक्सीन हर तरह की इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स जनरेट कर सकता है. इट कैन प्रोड्यूस humoral response in the gut. It can produce different types of immunoglobulins like IgG or IgA, and it helps to stop the viral replication in the gastrointestinal tract. So it can produce the local immunity. And most important advantage of Sabin vaccine or oral polio vaccine is that only within 1 to 2 doses, rapidly the immune response is generated inside the body, and near about 90 to 100% result of this vaccine can be gained at only 1 to 2 doses when they are given. So antibody can be quickly produced in 1 or 2 doses by the oral vaccine, and it can give 90 to 100% results. So it has a great advantages. So this was all about the advantages of oral polio vaccine. Now what are the disadvantages of oral polio vaccine? Oral polio vaccine, it is highly unstable at high temperature. So the most preferable temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius for the storage of this vaccine. So जब भी high temperature होता है, at high temperature this oral polio vaccine it becomes unstable or unstable. So this is the disadvantage of it. Then second disadvantage is very small residual neurovirulence in oral polio vaccine. In some person, after the administration of oral polio vaccine, it may generate neurovirulence, or it may affect the neurons or the nervous system in small quantity. There is a frequent failure of this vaccine, that is frequent vaccine failure is occurring even though as this vaccine is very potent to cure the polio disease, but during the generation or the production of this vaccine, the failure of this vaccine number is great. This is the main disadvantage of it. And in some cases, oral polio vaccine carries the risk of vaccine associated paralytic poliomyelitis. कुछ कुछ बच्चों में जब पहली बार ये वैक्सीन दिया जाता है, it may cause a paralytic polio, and the person or the children, it may lose its stability, which is a great disadvantage of oral polio vaccine, but the cases found are very rare of paralytic poliomyelitis receiving the vaccine for the first time. Then what are the storage or where conditions of polio vaccine? Generally, the oral polio vaccine, it is heat, as we have seen that it is heat sensitive vaccine, so it should be stored at -20 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अगर हम पोलियो वैक्सीन को -20 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर रखते हैं, देन इट कैन लास्ट फॉर नियर अबाउट 2 years. It increases its shelf life for near about 2 years. If we increase the temperature for the storage, and if the temperature range varies from 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, this polio vaccine can remain stable for only 6 months. अगर टेम्परेचर रेंज जैसे जैसे बढ़ता जाएगा, वैसे वैसे स्टेबिलिटी और शेल्फ लाइफ पोलियो वैक्सीन की कम होती जाती है. एंड इफ we keep this polio vaccine at room temperature, then it can remain stable and safe for consumption only for 1 to 3 days. So it is never kept at room temperature. Mostly -20 degrees Celsius temperature is best for the storage of polio vaccine. So this is all about oral polio vaccine. If we, as now we are coming to the end of polio vaccine, there is a one of the most important question frequently asked, that is there any treatment for poliomyelitis? Now I must tell you that there is no special drug or therapies to cure the polio. Once the person get infected with the polio virus, and if he get affected with the poliomyelitis, जो भी पर्सन जो जिसने वैक्सीनेशन नहीं लिया है, if he gets affected with the polio, then there is no special drug or therapies available to cure this disease. So what is most important, that as this disease of polio cannot be cured once attacked, it is better to follow preventive measures as it is contagious. तो प्रिवेंटिव मेजर क्या है, हमें वैक्सीनेशन करना पड़ेगा. सो एज द चिल्ड्रंस आर बॉर्न, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गिव देम polio vaccine, or they should be vaccinated. And only these 2 drops, ये 2 बूंद जिंदगी के, it means these 2 drops can save the life of that child from the polio infection. And this virus can spread through contacts, as this disease is contagious. So vaccination with the polio vaccine is very important. So this was all about polio vaccine. Thank you.